Okay. Question 29 here. Determine the first term, common ratio, and general term for each sequence. Actually, we could have just said ask for the general term. Okay, now, last time we had a question similar to this, we were working with arithmetic sequences. There's a couple of different ways to handle it there. There's a couple of different ways to do it here. However, I'm going to be pretty consistent with how I do this one, just because you still need to wait till you get to Math 30 before you can see some kind of fancier ways of dealing with this. My second term is 28. So first term don't know, second term is 28, third term don't know, fourth term don't know, and then I've got 1,792. To go from here to here, I'm going to multiply by the common ratio 3 times. So 28 times r cubed is equal to 1792. Now, again, I don't know what a is. I'm just trying to figure out r, but r is the relationship. It's how I go from one term to the next here. So now, r cubed is going to equal 1792 divided by 28, and I get 64. So now, to get what r is, I got to take the cube root of 64, okay, and it turns out that ends up being 4. Now, this isn't plus or minus 4, it's just 4. The reason I say that is because it's a cube root. Okay, so when it's an odd root index, you don't get that ambiguity, the plus or minus. So now, that's my r there. To go backwards from the second term to the first term, I would then divide by 4. So that leaves me with an a value of 7. And so now the general term is going to be 7 times 4 to the n minus 1.